Construction technologies are super important because they make building things faster, safer, and more durable. With cool tools and machines, workers can do their jobs more easily, which means projects get finished on time and stay within budget. Plus, better materials and techniques help create stronger, more energy-efficient buildings that last longer. Let's have a look at some amazing ones that are truly on another level. Number 1. Light-form ICF, pre-assembled foam concrete forms. Light-form ICFs are pre-assembled foam concrete forms used for building energy-efficient and durable structures. These forms consist of 2 layers of expanded polystyrene foam with concrete poured between them. They are excellent for insulation, keeping homes warm in winter and cool in summer, which reduces energy costs. They also offer strong resistance to severe weather conditions like tornadoes, hurricanes, and earthquakes. Because they are lightweight and easy to install, they are a great way to save time and labor on construction sites. Number 2. Cote Clôture Fence. Cote Clôture specializes in high-quality fences that are designed for both residential and commercial properties. Their fences come in a variety of materials like wood, aluminum, and PVC, which are chosen based on durability and aesthetics. These fences are not only useful for enhancing security, but also for beautifying outdoor spaces. The company offers a range of customizable solutions to fit the specific needs of clients, making it easier to install a fence that matches the property's look and function. Number 3. Yosemite Shelving Brackets. Yosemite shelving brackets are part of a modular garage storage system designed to maximize space efficiency. These innovative brackets allow you to easily attach shelves to your garage walls without drilling or complicated tools. The modular system means you can rearrange the shelves anytime, making it highly customizable. It's a practical solution for anyone looking to keep their garage organized while using vertical space more effectively. Number 4. Maxit Myrtle Pad, prefabricated mortar panel. The Maxit Myrtle Pad is a prefabricated mortar panel that makes bricklaying faster and more efficient. These panels contain just the right amount of mortar and are placed between layers of bricks or stones. They eliminate the need for manual mixing and applying mortar, significantly speeding up the construction process. They also reduce waste and ensure that each layer of brick is applied with consistent quality, making construction projects safer for laborers and more precise and eco-friendly. Number 5. Gripple Fast Track, prefabricated bracket solution. Gripple Fast Track is a prefabricated bracket system designed to simplify the installation of services like pipes and ducts in buildings. The system consists of ready-made brackets that can be adjusted without the need for tools, speeding up installation process. It also makes the job safer and more accurate by eliminating traditional methods that require more labor and tools. Fast Track is a go-to choice for contractors looking to save time and reduce costs on building projects. Number 6. Freedom Yurt Cabin. These are unique, solid-walled yurts designed for off-grid living or as cabin alternatives. Unlike traditional fabric yurts, Freedom Yurt cabins are built with sturdy, weather-resistant materials, making them perfect for year-round use. They include an integrated platform system, which simplifies assembly and can be put together in just 3 to 5 days. These cabins are ideal for anyone seeking a blend of rustic living with modern comfort, offering space, durability, and eco-friendliness. Number 7. Spider XK8 Insulation System. This insulation system is designed specifically for modern construction projects, providing high thermal efficiency and energy savings. Spider-XK8 uses advanced technology to regulate temperature, making buildings more comfortable while reducing heating and cooling costs. It's especially useful in both residential and commercial settings, where energy conservation is a priority. The system works by creating an airtight barrier that minimizes energy loss, improving overall building performance. Number 8. Alseco Bark Effect for walls. Alseco's bark effect is an innovative wall cladding system that mimics the look of natural bark, giving buildings a rustic, textured appearance. It is part of Alseco's external wall insulation systems, offering both aesthetic and functional benefits. This system enhances thermal insulation while also protecting the building's exterior from weathering. It's popular in eco-friendly construction projects due to its natural look and energy-efficient properties, blending sustainability with design. Number 9. Disto profiles. Disto profiles are landscape design elements used to create smooth transitions between different surfaces, such as pavements, lawns, or garden beds. These profiles are typically made of durable materials like aluminum or steel and help ensure a clean, professional finish to any landscaping project. They are easy to install and provide long-lasting structural support, enhancing both the appearance and functionality of outdoor spaces. These profiles are popular in both residential and public landscaping due to their versatility and durability. Number 10. Polylevel foam for repairing sunken concrete slabs. Polylevel foam is a high-density, expanding foam used to lift and level sunken concrete slabs. It's injected through small holes into the voids beneath the slab. The foam then expands and hardens, raising the concrete back to its original position. Unlike mudjacking, polylevel is lightweight, so it doesn't add extra stress to the soil. It sets quickly, usually within minutes, allowing you to use the surface again in no time. This method is effective for residential areas like driveways, patios, and pool decks, and it also helps stabilize weak soil. Number 11. Sika Quick Patch. Sika Quick Patch is a fast-setting mortar used to repair horizontal concrete surfaces, such as driveways, sidewalks, and floors. This product comes pre-mixed, so you only need to add water. The material hardens in about 10 to 20 minutes, making it ideal for urgent repairs. It's known for its durability, holding up well against freeze-thaw cycles and heavy traffic. Its self-leveling properties ensure smooth, professional results, and it's resistant to water, ensuring a long-lasting repair. Number 12. AmeriMex Drainage. AmeriMex Drainage offers customized drainage solutions that help manage water flow on residential or commercial properties. Their systems are designed to prevent water damage by efficiently channeling excess water away from structures. These drainage systems help reduce flooding, soil erosion, and foundation damage, making properties more secure. Solutions like French drains, sump pumps, and trench drains are tailored to the specific needs of the property, improving both functionality and safety. Number 13. Wall-tight polyurethane foam. Wall-tight is a spray-applied polyurethane foam insulation that forms a continuous barrier to prevent air leakage and moisture buildup in buildings. This foam has excellent insulating properties, keeping structures energy efficient. When applied, it expands to fill gaps and cracks, sealing them tightly. It also adds structural strength to walls and can be used in residential, commercial, or industrial buildings. Wall-tight's airtight seal helps improve indoor air quality while reducing energy bills. Number 14. MAI foam concrete. MAI foam concrete is a lightweight, flowable material used for various construction applications, including floor leveling, filling voids, and stabilizing soils. It's made by mixing cement, water, and a foaming agent, creating a durable yet lightweight material. Foam concrete can be easily pumped into place and is highly versatile due to its insulating and fire-resistant properties. It's also environmentally friendly, since it uses less cement than traditional concrete and can include recycled materials. Number 15. Havelock wool blown-in. Havelock wool blown-in insulation is an eco-friendly loose-fill insulation made from sheep's wool. It is designed to regulate moisture and improve air quality in homes. You can blow the wool directly into walls, ceilings, and attics using specialized equipment, making it easy to install. Its natural moisture management prevents mold growth, and it doesn't release harmful chemicals or off-gas like some synthetic insulations. Wool is also highly effective in regulating temperature and sound, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Number 16. Stable block facades. Stable block facades are modern, modular cladding systems designed to give buildings a sleek, insulated exterior. These systems use interlocking blocks made from high-quality materials, offering both aesthetic appeal and functional insulation. The blocks come in various designs, making them ideal for customization, and they help reduce energy costs by improving thermal efficiency. Additionally, the installation is straightforward due to the modular nature of the system. Number 17. Porotherm Profi Clay Block Walling System. The Porotherm Profi is a high-performance walling system made from clay blocks. These blocks are precision-engineered for fast, dry construction, reducing build times by about 50%. Unlike traditional methods, the Porotherm system uses thin bed mortar or adhesive, providing strong and durable walls with excellent thermal insulation properties. The blocks are lightweight, making them easier to handle, and they offer soundproofing along with energy efficiency, making them perfect for sustainable building projects. Number 18. ProLink Systems Pro-Channel P-Line. The Pro-Channel P-Line by ProLine Systems is a drainage solution for tiled floors designed to manage water effectively in showers and wet areas. It features sleek, linear drains that can be easily integrated into various bathroom designs, ensuring quick water removal and preventing water buildup. These channels come with adjustable components, allowing for easy installation, and are made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. The minimalist design also adds a modern touch to tiled spaces. That's it for today. Press the like button and subscribe for more interesting videos.